committee of the party. Our primary mandate being conciliation of members across the country and building and repositioning of this party at all levels.
Your Excellency, former governor of the state, which I will not tell you but the most important is now do the party this party from zero level where we are and Zamfara has ever been in and what disaster things are coming together. So that together is what we are working, inshallah, to achieve
Ya dikatakan orang gani.
My colleagues in the trenches, members of the TS, both former and present, my distinguished brothers, distinguished I am delighted to be here because conciliation is an integral part of every human being. We are all human beings and we make mistakes. And when mistakes happen, it's left to you to either do it as a source of strength or not. I hope our own mistake will serve as a source of strength for all of us. And for APC itself especially, and the country in general. Our country is facing very, very serious times. Our party was given an unprecedented support especially for us coming from the state and the Northwest in particular, we are facing very, very serious problems, and for that reason, I think no amount of effort is too much. I received a call from my friend and my leader, General Muhammad. And despite the short notice, I felt anybody that wants to a reconciliation, he or she calls me, and I attended because of that. And I'm very happy with the robust decisions or discussions rather that we had. I want to use this medium to tell Nigerians that we initiated a process. Let me put it that way, because we are not the only people. We have people behind us. But those people have absolute confidence in all of us. So today marks the very beginning, in the sector of APC. And I hope, given the assurances I have had from various leaders during the meeting, that at the end of the tunnel, we would see light. I thank everybody and I thank Nigerians, for understanding all of us, especially during the period of crisis. And our supporters back home, I want to assure them, all of them, that both of us are committed to their welfare, their progress. We sleep with them in our hearts and we work out with them in our hearts. We might not necessarily measure up to their expectations, because we are human beings. And Kampala is maybe over 3 million people, 4 million people. So there is no way we can please each and everyone. But I want to use this media to tell them that we would do our utmost best, all of us here, to make sure that we carry, a majority of them in whatever decision. And God is going to I thank all of
It's a very beginning for our party in Zamfara, and I can assure you that we're making everything possible to make sure we remain united as a party. Inshallah, thank you all for
Come on.